This is going to be a high impact weekend with regards to that dangerously cold wind chill values that we're going to experience tomorrow morning, and then also the significant snowstorm that is now just starting to form. A little bit more of that activity on the radar right now across parts of Texas and the South Coast. Now today is going to be a big day because the storm is finally forming, so that means we're going to be able to sample it and then put that data into our weather models by later on today and tonight. And those runs are going to be critical for how we kind of evolve potentially our snowfall forecasts going forward, with a little bit more of maybe those mesoscale or small localized features kind of showing up in the forecast. But more or less the headlines sticking to the same messaging here. Strong gusty winds later on this evening, 30 to 40 miles an hour, ushering in that cold air mass. Actual air temperatures probably going to be anywhere between about -1 to about 5 degrees on Saturday morning, feeling more like -10 to -20. By the afternoon, maybe getting back up to around 0 degrees for the feel-like temperature, even though the thermometer is reading the low and mid-teens. Snow is going to be arriving Sunday between about 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. A foot for most of us, potentially a little bit more for those interior locations. It's going to be just the South Coast where we're watching for that potential for maybe a little bit of mixing. And then Monday's still going to be pretty messy too, with some wraparound activity on the backside. But at least some blue skies right now as we look through our People's Credit Union Skycam network live from Beavertail Lighthouse. We can see sitting at 33 degrees, a bit breezy though, out of the west, 17 miles an hour, gusting up to about 22. It'll be gustier later on today. So as we go forward, taking a look at tonight, those temperatures going from about 26 at 7 o'clock, falling back down to maybe about 5 degrees for Providence around 7 a.m. Feeling more like this, anywhere between, again, -10 to -20 degrees, with that northwest wind that's going to be sustained between 10 and 20 miles an hour. So as we go forward through the day, winds will start to lighten up a little bit, but it still doesn't take much for those wind chill values to fall into the low single digits to even below 0 through about 1 o'clock or so. And then once the sun sets, wind chills back down below 0 across much of the area. Now, again, Saturday itself, high temperature should be right around maybe 15, 16 degrees. One of our coldest afternoons that we have seen in southern New England since either 2023 if we hit 16 degrees, but if it's only 15 since 2019. So pretty remarkable there. Again, plenty of sunshine, so at least we'll have that in place when we're looking out the window. When it comes to our snowstorm, not much has changed since this morning. Still anticipating about 12 to 18 inches across interior locations. This is where we have the highest confidence that we're not going to see that flip over to any sort of mix at the moment. 8 to 12 for the south coastline because of that threat of some mix. Also, some warmer temperatures as this system is ending. So even though it might be very light and fluffy as it's initially coming down, come Monday morning, temperatures could be around maybe 30 to 32 degrees, compacting that snow a little bit more, while interior locations still could be stuck in the teens, which will keep that fluff factor around. So that is something we're also keeping an eye on. But as we kind of see larger scale starting at 2 p.m., Arctic air is in place. High pressure Sunday night will be slipping over us, turning off the wind and also leading to some nice calm conditions. Temperatures fall back down into the single digits, which that Arctic air will set the stage for that snow to move in again between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. on Sunday. That will mean snow is sticking right off the bat. Now, come about 3 o'clock or so, snowfall rates are already ramping up. So as the Patriots game is starting, could see snowfall rates 2 to 3 inches per hour, and that continues through the evening time frame. Now, we're going to be watching, here's the mixing layer. This model is a little bit more optimistic with regards to keeping it offshore, but it's going to be a very close call. Now, after about maybe midnight or so, the snow will start to lighten up on the backside, but we're going to be watching to see kind of a little bit of this wraparound activity combining with snow bands coming in from the northwest off of the ocean, being enhanced a little bit by that northwest wind. So that is something to kind of fine tune the details with as we go forward over the next 24 to 36 hours. But